These are the best laptops for graphic design in 2021. Welcome to WhichLaptop. Number 3. Acer Concept D7 Ezel. The Concept D7 is a stylish portable powerhouse for graphic designers, as you can tell by their Pantone validated 4K UHD display with 100% Adobe RGB color gamut. Equally helpful for designing houses or these shoes. That in addition to the Ezel Hinge for comfortable working positions while using a supported Wacom pen. The Xeon workstation CPU or 10th gen Intel Core i7, as linked below, can power resource-intensive software, especially when paired with the GTX 20 series or even Quadro RTX 5000 graphics for true professional performance, while Dual AeroBlade 3D fans keep it cool and silent. ECC RAM is uncommon, exclusively reserved for ultra-reliable professional machines, and the Concept D has up to 32GB of it, DDR4 no less, alongside up to 2TB of NVMe storage, the fastest non-volatile memory available, in RAID 0, which makes it even faster. The speed of this machine is truly exceptional. Number 2. ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 17. The ASUS StudioBook S, now renamed to the ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 17, is an ultra-mobile powerhouse for professional designers. Again, Pantone validated with 97% color accuracy across DCI-P3 on a 16x10 nano edge display, and it comes with a couple unique features, such as the innovative numpad displayed across your touchpad and convenient hotkeys for Adobe macros. The Xeon workstation CPU or 10th gen Core i7, as linked below, can easily run Adobe or other design softwares, alongside up to 2TB of RAID 0 NVMe storage, meaning you can create in higher resolutions, more layers, and with less buffering than ever before. It's fast inside and out with Gigabyte class Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 3, and it has a powerful enough fan system to keep it cool and quiet. As there's no touchscreen but more hardware power than other options, we'd recommend this more for 3D or corporate design than illustration. And number 1. ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo. When it comes to graphic design, color accuracy, GPU power, and arguably to a lesser extent, screen size and resolution should be your key concerns. The Zenbook Pro Duo provides a 100% color correct, 100,000:1 contrast ratio, 15.6-inch 4K OLED HDR display, which is unrivaled for visual creatives. Powered by up to a Core i9 CPU and RTX 2060 GPU, this is the upper end of consumer hardware, capable of 3D design and professional illustration. And of course the second screen, an extreme widescreen 14-inch 3840 by 1100 pixel touchscreen, provides an extended workspace for content creation, a fluid workflow for multitasking and navigation, and tactile stylus control for brush tools and illustration. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop that in the comments below, and if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe so maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching WhichLaptop.